Hello friends, welcome to OMS English platform. Like every day, today also I am welcoming you to OMS English platform and in this video. Friends, you know I am always motivating you to speak in English. Always I say that if you are really interested in speaking English, then really you will follow me because I am also new and I know you are also new. Most of people thinking that this is impossible to me. Learning English is impossible for me. But no, you don't think like that. Everything is possible if you have committed that, if you have patience, if you have trust. Do you know one thing? The world is also in our trust. You are living in a trust because we don't know what will happen tomorrow. But even then, we are living with full of expectation. And most of people delay their work. I will start on this work from tomorrow. I will do this after some time. But the time is getting past. If you are continue in your work, whatever you are doing, I don't say that you must do it, you should do it, you must work in my place, you should work in your unnecessary things. I don't say anything like that. But keep in your mind one thing, you can't change yourself, but your habit can change your future. Like morning exercise. Most of people want to wake up in the morning first time. They commitment that, but they are doing their work with lazy. They don't respect of the time. That is our habit. Then first of all, you have to increase your listening habit, speaking habit, reading habit, writing habit. I don't force on the things reading and writing. You can see most of people do not know reading and writing. They can read words and write, but they can speak fluently because they have done their practice. Practice is most important thing for learning anything. But however capable you are, do your practice continuously. If you have habit of writing, then you write it, read it. If you have no idea of reading and writing, then you can speak fluently and properly. To say that's enough, I would like to stop here. Thanks all of you.